Hi, I'm Madison from the Tomorrow Marketing Team, and today we're at AMS 2026 in Houston. We're going to be speaking to some of our space and sensors team as well as our weather scientists today. Hope you enjoy.
I'm Brandon Taylor. I'm a machine learning engineer here at Tomorrow.io. I'm on the data science team, and today at AMS I'm presenting on forcing ForecastNet, which is a ML model from NVIDIA with our traditional NWP data assimilation system. And I'm looking at data denial experiments with a control and deny. So the control has our TMS data assimilated, and the deny experiment, we deny the TMS data and we compare the forecast skill to see how the forecast improves when we include the TMS data. Maybe for like the airline industry, just being able to help them find operational efficiencies and maybe in their de-icing operations. I know a lot of us that came to AMS, there was lots of delays, lots of cancellations. So decisions that airlines have to make is when do we need to de-ice the planes, and that can help them improve their improve the operational efficiency in their day-to-day operations. My work is more in the hybrid NWP to ML modeling, but I think we're getting advancements in AI data assimilation to where we can go fully end-to-end observations into the model, forward modeling that into the future, and I think that's going to be a big game changer for the refresh rate of the model and just incorporating all the different new novel data sources that are out there now. It's going to be a big game changer. Use ensembles. You have to use ensembles and tune your risk to the lead time that you're interested in and the threshold that you're interested in. There's actually a lot of social science in this and understanding what your risk tolerance is as a business or as a person. We use AI-assisted code editors quite a bit, agentic workflows for testing, and of course we use the ML is built into the models that we use, but yeah, I mean it's getting more and more integrated into our workflows, and it's definitely accelerating our development.